Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Easy English. Today we have another easy English story for A1 learners. Listen carefully, learn new words and enjoy the story. My name is Oliver, I am 10 years old. I live in a small house with my parents and my older sister Emma. Behind our house we have a small garden. It is not very big, but it is my favourite place. One sunny Saturday morning my mother says, "Oliver, let's plant some flowers and vegetables today." "That sounds fun," I answer happily. We go to a garden shop and buy flower seeds, tomato plants, carrots, lettuce and a small watering can. I also choose a packet of sunflower seeds because sunflowers are my favourite flowers. When we get home, my father brings a shovel and a rake. We work together in the garden. First we remove the weeds, then we dig small holes in the ground. "Now put the seeds in the soil," my mother says. I carefully place the sunflower seeds into the ground. My sister plants the tomatoes and my father plants the carrots. After that we water everything. "Now we must be patient," my father says. "Plants need time to grow." Every afternoon after school I visit the garden. I water the plants and check the soil. 1 week later I see something small and green. "Mom, come quickly," I shout. "The flowers are growing." My mother smiles. "Yes, Oliver, your hard work is helping them grow." As the weeks pass, the garden becomes more beautiful. The sunflowers grow tall and bright yellow. The tomatoes become red and juicy. The carrots grow under the ground and the lettuce becomes fresh and green. Many colourful butterflies fly around the flowers. Busy bees visit the garden every day. One morning I see a little bird drinking water from a small bowl. "It likes our garden," I say. At the end of summer, we pick our vegetables together. That evening, my mother makes a delicious salad with fresh lettuce and tomatoes from our garden. "It tastes wonderful," my father says. I feel proud because I helped grow the food. I learned that plants need sunshine, water, good soil and care. Just like people, they grow better with love and attention. Now I enjoy spending time in the garden every day. It teaches me to be patient, responsible and thankful for nature. Good things take time to grow. With patience, hard work and care, beautiful things can happen. Thank you for listening. See you in the next Easy English story on Learn Easy English.